Hello and welcome back to Chic Spaces. Today we are here in Rajapushpa Provincia yet again with a beautifully curated 3 BHK home. This home is where the tradition meets the modern functionality.
This home is all about thoughtful design details. From a handcrafted partition to very serene color palettes, this house has it all. Let's take you through.
As you step into this home, you are greeted by a serene custom Radha Krishna mural printed on site, setting a warm and spiritual tone right at the entrance.
The sofa wall features a bespoke acrylic lotus motif, while a handcrafted metal and wooden partition with fluted glass subtly separates the living and dining spaces, offering privacy without compromising openness and natural light.
The vanity wall is an aesthetic feature by itself, adorned with delicate floral tiles, pastel green cabinetry, and brushed metal accents that elevate this utilitarian space into a design statement.
Moving to the informal living area, you'll notice how the TV unit seamlessly blends into the puja zone, designed with pocket doors and concealed seating. The rustic marble finish adds an earthy elegance, beautifully continued in the accent wall that flows with soft curves and gentle textures.
The kitchen is a playful yet practical space in tones of powder blue and white. A rolling shutter, glass front cabinets, and a full pantry with pull-out drawers ensure maximum utility with a fresh, vibrant look.
The master bedroom is a sanctuary of calm with white and teak finishes that open up the space. The texture-painted wall adds rustic character, tying in with the home's earthy palette.
The kids' room uses a sage green and white palette, balanced by a tropical accent wall and a full-length dresser. The collapsible study table designed with a mix of open and closed shutters and metal accents brings energy and fun without compromising function.
The guest bedroom speaks luxury in soft tones. Pastel lavender meets marble texture, brought alive with brushed gold accents and a custom fabricated mirror. The minimal study desk is thoughtfully tucked in, compact yet fully functional for a modern lifestyle. Every corner of this flat has been crafted to reflect the client's personality, calm, refined, and rooted in traditions with contemporary edge.
My favorite part of this house is definitely the kids' bedroom with a very serene palette which is accentuated with a tropical wallpaper.
And my favorite is definitely the vanity unit because of its pastel green colors, golden accents, and ambient lighting. Please watch the entire video again and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.